Hi everybody, this is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer and I shot this image for a couple years ago. Models from Southern Cross. That's one of the best model agency in Okinawa. And this is my subject today. And also I made the line image by Adobe Photoshop. I used a filter called Find Edges to make this line image. I'm gonna use both images to get some other creative image. Okay, let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna move this layer in between these two, and I'm gonna turn on the line, change the blend mode to darken. Then you see the lines, and also you see this base image underneath. I'm gonna go down to the opacity down to maybe about 30%, and also the line goes to 50%, almost half of them. So you see the image both. And also I'm gonna put the watercolor on this layer. Okay, I have two LED lighting on this. The main lighting is from this side. That's why we have this shadow on left hand side of her. Then I have the key light from this corner to this line, edge we have. So to have the consciousness of the lighting, and just put the color on this layer now. Well, I'm gonna go with the skin tone first. Watercolor, wash flat. Okay, you see the color here? I'm going to dry first, then put a little bit dark shadow side. Then see. Okay, now I'm gonna go with the upside. Made two layers. This is for here. This is for all the skin tones. Okay, I'm going to merge down. So we have this colors. Okay. So far, let's go. Okay, now the same brush to get some. Now I'm looking at light area of the costume. A little bit dark. Goes to once dried. Oops. Oh. Then I'm going to add some little bit dark wrinkles and stuff. Change the brush to basic watercolor. I'm going to add some water to blend it in. Okay, now for this. Now, as I said, I have the two lights. One is a key light from here. The main light source is here. So I'm gonna light this area, then blend it into the shadow area. Those dark green type. Well, not actually cyan, maybe. Then add some shadow on here. That's interesting. So, did I put? Yeah, I guess. Okay. Now go for light area. You see some? What's this? I did it, huh? Okay, that's fine though. Maybe it's brand. Okay, that's just accepted. And now with the front part, I really like this kind of shadow blend into that kind of bluer image. Okay, dry and and merge down. Okay, I'll push down for watercolor. I'm gonna create empty mask on this, convert. Then I'm gonna invert mask. I usually use wet brush 1, but maybe I should try on this dry media to soft chalk on this. Well, let's try it anyways. Okay, white to reveal on this layer. You see here? Okay. Let me move this layer, go up to this watercolor layer. It shows somehow touch different. Okay, go both 100. Well, in that case, she's going back again. So it's changed. You see the colors. It's gonna be top of that this image. So maybe this is fine. So I'm gonna reveal. Well, I guess it's interesting. It's different from some works I make these days. Yes, thank you so much. Well, I really appreciate it to support me to watching my video. Thanks a lot, and get it down for today, and see you next time. Have a nice day, guys. See you. Ciao now. Bye.